Folks, and welcome to Blackpool Automart. My name's Danny. Here we are at our site. Weather's cleared up quite substantially. As you can see, plenty of stock on the forecourt. All various models, shapes and sizes and colours. Here's our flagship dealership with Honda. Our service departments, engineers, technicians, valeting teams all over in the corner. Honda Superbike Centre, Blackpool Seat, our partners, and then that's us. Our offices are just there, and today we have got a real treat for you. A 2016 Porsche 718 Boxter, obviously the convertible, as you can see. It's a 2-litre petrol, 6-speed manual, and it is an absolute stunner of a car, and it's beautiful to drive. It's a really nice piece of kit. It's literally just landed with us today. And this particular model comes with a leather pack, park assist, front and rear, digital radio, heated seats, folding wing mirrors, aircon, Bi-Xenon Lights at the front, and the Sound Pack Plus. It's just a very special car. I'll just have a look at some of the details for you. So you've got a storage compartment at the back. Obviously access to your oil and water via the back as well. Brake light moulded into the back of the car, as well as the digital lights at the back, sorry, LEDs at the back. And then at the front, you've got your other storage compartment as well. So you got your 6-speed gearbox, your driving functions, obviously your switches for your soft top, menu screen, driver's cockpit, and that enables you to change your menu settings as well on the lever just underneath the right hand wand, which does have your windscreen wipers on, headlights and indicators, sorry, your beam and indicators. Your headlights are just here with auto function. Then you've got your wing mirrors and windows, your boot and storage release buttons here, Boxter door sills, As you can see, the roof comes over and it is a really quick motion. That's it done. Windows up. That's it. Less than 10 seconds. Not even 5, I don't think. So if you've got any questions about this particular vehicle, this stunning machine, don't hesitate to contact us. You can visit us online, send us an email or give us a call, or better still, pop down and see us. We'll give you the keys, you can take it for a test drive, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.